Ka Meghalaya Healthcare Association ringkat ka All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists ki kentu banwer ki padba nong shong shnong gejela bakimde satya banthe dawai klumar lemba ka online namar kawanra ek jingma ki padba ki badan ka jing shitom ya ka ni lapin sngo do ba David Kharsati Vice President ka Meghalaya Healthcare Association habakren batkilat pathai khubor Uba David uloong ba hadian baka Sorkar India limba ka Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers bat katanat jangkar Pharmaceuticals National Pharmaceuticals Pricing Authority kalayo ya kajing ujor na ka AIOCD ya kajingde online ki dawai limba ka company Tata Group and Grievance ya ka bala pha lang sha o menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi halor kate ke jingle jangate ka company banshalan ne bande dawai patba kalawan ra ek jingdo nong ya ki nongbo ya ki dukan dawai ne ki pharmacy ki baladep your license na ka Sorkar India uba David Kharsati ulayathu hadin baka AIOCD kala ai jingu George o menteri rang badu kari batsha ka Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers mantukular bat banyak keren ya ka jingshalan bande dawai online.
We want to tell you our association is a very old association. We have affiliated with All India Chemists and Druggists Association, but unfortunately on 2013 our association was not so much active because of some reason. Some of our member has filed a case in the court 2013. Then it took 7.5 years for the court to squash the case, and now we are free to come to the people and especially to the medicine business fraternity. So now we call this press conference to request through you that this association will have an AGM, annual general meeting, tentatively in the first week of January. So before that, we have the system to have enrollment drive. That is, those who are old, they renew; those who are fresh, they have to enroll. And then it is really the need of the hour also that this medicine business, has to be strengthened. We have a threat, all India level, me and Barun and some of our office bearer from the state, we used to attend many meetings in different parts of India. Now for the last 4 years, we have been fighting, our All India level has been fighting to stop online purchase of medicines. Now Tata 1mg, Flipkart, they want to enter India forcefully by adopting a global business transaction. But our association has got 9.4 lakhs members all over India. But in India, we cannot allow this type of practice to go freely like other countries. Under the Act, Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1945-1948, drugs cannot be dispensed beyond the jurisdictions of the license given by the authority. Drugs cannot be dispensed or supplied from one state to another state, only with one prescription. So, because of this, we want that our state association also has to be vibrant and strong. To get the support of our national level, we from the state, we have to be very strong. And then you know better here, when we talk about association, people, they don't want to participate anymore. Because that association is only an association. So many associations are namesake. But this association has got a very strong force to control the trade relation between the company and wholesale, and then wholesale to the retail. So through your medium, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister also. Yesterday he has taken a very strong initiative to stop online prescription, which planned by Tata 1mg and Flipkart, based under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1945. Companies also, they are dancing on this issue. They appoint stockists, whatever they like. But if association is there, the company cannot appoint blatantly any stockist without fulfilling some criteria which we tie up between AIFCD and Indian Drugs Manufacturing Association. In Meghalaya also we want that the same system should be adopted so that retail also will not be loser, wholesale also should not be a loser. We will live according and as per the guidelines guided by the AICD in collaboration with Meghalaya Healthcare Association.
You all have been knowing that our country, there is so much the issue of spurious drugs. This is one of the burning issue in today's world. You know, there are so many places which are, they are transferring to small villages the spurious drugs. Now they will not need to do that. They can do this through the online purchase. That is one of the threats. So if we are buying the medicine and if we are not getting a good medicine, that medicine will not work for the patient. That is one of the big problems. And the second problem is that which most of the industry are facing, and most of the state like us, a small state, where the employment is one of the big issue. So as this particular business, we are having almost around 300 chemists and distributor, and in each chemist and distributor there are almost 5 to 10 people who are working there. So if this online purchase will be going on, then most of them will have to shut down because they will not be able to compete with them. So they'll have to shut down, and that will bring another problem of unemployment. Most of our youth will have to go through that.